Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Orico. This is a portable SSD with 3,800 megabyte per second speed. It is USB-C, super nice though. So the device itself is USB-C right here, obviously. But this is my favorite part about this whole thing is that it comes with this amazing adapter. These days, a lot of PCs are USB-C, some don't even have USB-A. So you just have this easy adapter, stays attached right here, so you can always use this. Now this is awesome for transferring like video files to your laptop or to your different workstations. And with 1 TB, that is a ton of space. You can make a ton of videos with something like this. Also like the look of this thing. It's pretty small. It's got the nice kind of heat sink cage to it, so it's never gonna overheat, which is good. Let's go try out the speeds on this. So right here, I've got the Orico unit plugged into my computer right here. You can see I've already got a couple folders on it, but right here I'm going to move over this rig build folder. This is 18 gigabytes of video. So let's go ahead and paste this and just watch how quick this thing moves. Already 10% done, 20% done. So if you can move 18 gigs of video that fast, this thing is going to improve your workload speed so much, and the fact that it can hold that 1,000 gigabytes is just awesome. So definitely check this out if you need any sort of external SSD. I will have a link to this down below. If you're interested in other tech products, there we are, we're finished. If you're interested in other tech products, I'll leave a link to all my tech reviews up here. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.